My name's and I work at F-Secure. And some years ago, I was unfortunately scammed. It all started when me and my partner were looking for a new apartment, and we found what looked like a fantastic deal. Great apartment, really good price, available right away. So we made contact with the letting agent, and they agreed to meet and show us the apartment. So we go, we look around, the apartment looked great, the price was great. All we had to do was get our deposit, our first month's rent, and sign the papers. It was partially furnished, so we could move kind of quickly, but sometime later we were unpacking our things in this apartment, turning it into our home, and there's a knock at the door. And when we open it, it's a cleaning lady. And the cleaning lady informs us this isn't our new apartment. This is actually a short stay apartment that's rented out online for 1-2 nights. What had actually happened was the scammer had hired a letting agent, rented the property, and then given us fake documents and had us, apply to live there when in actual fact, they never owned the property. They weren't a letting agent, and they just took our deposit, our first month's rent, and disappeared. So the real owner of the apartment also had no idea this was happening, and they were actually great, and they let us stay there overnight, helped us to find somewhere else to go, and were entirely sympathetic to the situation. These scams are developing all the time. They're getting more complex, more convincing, even when you're aware of this stuff. So it's important now more than ever to look out for these red flags and to call them out as soon as possible.